جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى.
Today's question: how to pray in a moving vehicle like car, bus, train, or aeroplane? Is the movement of a vehicle the motion of the worshipper too? I repeat the question once more. We are going to a particular destination. We are on the way. It is a time to pray. Imagine we are women. Then they cannot find a secure area to pray. Can they pray in the car seated in the seating position? It is our question. Now I repeat the question. Is the motion of a vehicle the motion of a worshipper too?
جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو.
It is a frequently asked question by many men and women. The motor vehicles such as car, bus, train, and aeroplane have the same ruling and the verdict of the animal vehicles like horse and camel. As a person on the animal vehicle is set in motion by the movements that the animal makes. Like this, a traveler in a motor vehicle gets influenced by its movement. Therefore, obligatory prayers are not allowed on moving vehicle like car, bus, train, and aeroplane. Because obligatory prayers on the animal vehicles or on the back of animal are not allowed when the animal is on the motion or going on. In short, if a person prays obligatory prayer on the animal, then he faces to the direction of Qibla and completes his bowing and prostration. At this time, the animal is standing without motion. Then this prayer is allowed. You should pray obligatory prayer by standing if you are able to stand. But this time the animal is on the motion or going on, then the obligatory prayer is not allowed.
جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة